The primary function of PolicyCo is to serve as a policy lifecycle management platform, so we're going to take some time to go over the main screen. This is a listing of your existing policies. The first column indicates the status of each policy. Statuses include new, active, candidate, and review. The next column shows the current version of each policy. You'll notice that this one has a status of candidate release, which indicates that one change has been made to it. Notice 1.8.1 compared to 1.8. Each change to an article increments the minor version, and a release increments the major version. The next columns are the name and classification of each policy. We include two default classifications: internal use only and public, but you can create as many classifications as you like for your purposes and assign that classification to each policy. Each policy can have one or more managers. Since all managers can approve content, it's a good idea to limit this to one or two trusted members in your organization. Assigning more than one manager is a good practice for backup or out-of-office scenarios. The released column shows the most recent release date for the policy. The review cycle indicates how often a policy is set for review. This can range from monthly to once every 4 years. Last reviewed indicates when the last review process was completed and who performed the review. Next review indicates the next scheduled review date based on the selected cycle. The approval type can be manager or board. A manager must be one of the current policy managers. Board approval can be any user who the board agrees can serve as a representative to release and review the policy. The approver is the person who most recently approved the release or the review of the policy. The last column displays the number of days until the next review is due.